What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to your channel. So I got Bossy here with me.
Good.
We are prepping for clean culture. So
not clean culture.
Oh shoot, forget carnival. Oh my gosh. Damn, that's bad. Alright, anyways. So like I said, I have two bumpers. I just swapped out, Bossy helped me swap out the grills, and we are actually putting on JDM S4 bezels, but technically they're knockoffs. But it looks dope, right? Well, I think it looks dope. I don't know. I mean, to be honest, it's whatever. I'm not going to Week Fest. This isn't. Yeah, Boss is a knockoff. If you guys want to see his, go ahead and check out his channel. I put his link.
Go to my Instagram. I haven't posted anything.
Or his Instagram. I'll put that in the description, of course. But yeah, that's what we're working on right now. We just came from the bay. We are in the valley right now. It took us almost 2 hours just to get here in the Celica, and I have no AC, and it was pretty bad. But it's cool. TY for Bossy for being my co-pilot. And update on the Volvo, we just lowered the fronts a little bit, so it's so about 3 fingers deep. Alright, Bossy, what are you doing right now?
Trying to crimp this wire on. And do you think that's enough space for?
Oh, yeah, should be. Yeah, I don't know shit about electrical wiring. He did this before, so I'm kind of letting him
not
do
really,
it.
but
I'm just chilling right now.
I just do way too much wiring in my car, so.
I know. Look at. Okay, if you've seen Bossy's, I think his is way more. What do you have more?
Hello horns.
Oh yeah, cause I got the plug-in player.
And my daytime running lights for sea lights.
He basically made all of that. So if you guys want to know how he did it, DM him, hit him in the DMs. Here's a little update on the baby. So look how bad this dress is. Don't mind that. But I'm in the process of trying to fix this again. Yeah, so I learned that I should have put something like underneath, so because as you can tell, there's like a little gap in between the hood and I don't know what to call this, but there's a little gap. I accidentally just bondoed it. I wasn't thinking, but now I know it's a learning process. I'm gonna basically file this out again, and then put like a little cardboard or something, and then place it so that way it has that gap, like I said. But yeah, it's a learning process. This part is basically done. This part fell off when I was on the road, but luckily I found it. This part's done. That's about it. Honestly, the car is looking pretty good. I just gotta work on this horrible disaster right here. I don't know what to call this, but it's a huge mess. But this is the only part that I need a bondo, and the body should be straight. Instead of spray painting it, I plan on actually wrapping it. It's not gonna be perfect just because my body work isn't perfect, but it'll be decent at least. So yeah, that was a little update on the Celica. Oh, let me show you this too. I traded my stock wheels. Sorry, the garage is messy. I traded my stock wheels for Celica Super wheels. These are sometimes on the Celica and the 8.6, but they came off the Celica Super. I traded it for my stocks. The dude that I traded it with, he actually swapped the tires for me because I had tires on the stock ones. But anyways, yeah, that's a lot of information. Anyways, you guys don't want to hear that. So back to the Subi, back to the prep. Alright guys, little update on the Subi. So what did we just do? Or what did you just do?
We basically cut from the manufacturer. The dude basically used these things for the power, and it goes straight to the battery. I don't know what these are called. Yeah. But the power also had this, and I guess it was supposed to go straight to the battery, but it's stupid because it would be always on. So we cut that off and then just put T-taps and connected it to his sea lights. So those are only gonna turn on when his sea lights are on.
Alright, let's see it real quick. I don't know why it looks like it's going different.
I think it's your eye. It's the eyes, but
I know my eyes are like tripping balls right now, but let me know if you guys think the orange is the same and if they're blinking at the same time. Cause right
it's
now,
either that or it's just because
the way you're holding it.
yeah, it's not fully plugged in, so it's just at a different interval.
Alright, well, so far so good. That's a little update. Time to get back on the grind. Well, we just finished the install, so
Bumper back on.
yeah, we just gotta put the bumper back on. Like I said, no, like Justin said it. The powerhouse, basically.
Yeah, that block.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let me see if I taped it. I kind of went ham on it, but you know,
That's just not going.
yeah, that shit's not going anywhere. I basically zip tied and electrical taped everything, so that way it looks cleaner. It looks like a mess, but trust me, it's clean once everything's plugged in.
You should see mine.
Yeah, you see Bossy's.
You
No,
can see that.
but yeah, everything looks much cleaner. Not the bottom. Oh, there you go. Not the bottom though. I mean, you can't really tell from afar.
Like, at least yours doesn't show. Mine shows.
Yeah. So once everything is plugged in, everything's gonna look good. So now let me just put everything back on, and then I have to wash my car. Okay? Yeah. Alright guys, here's a little update on what it looks like. Just washed the car. I didn't get to detail it, I lost track of time, but it looks super good right now. Woo! Now me and Boss are going back to the Bay Area. We're not sure if we're gonna hit up a meet yet. Are we hitting up a meet still or not?
I don't think we'll make it.
Yeah, we're probably not gonna make it. It's like a pre-carnival type of pre-meet. Oh my gosh. Oh, that shit's expensive, bro. But yeah, we're into the Bay. I hit you guys up when we are there. What's up guys, we are back from the valley. We just made it to the Bay Area, but when we were heading here, look what happened. My splitter, man. My splitter. Alright, Bossy, you wanna tell them what happened?
Basically, the tap screws weren't fully screwed in.
Okay, it was screwed.
It was screwed in, but I guess it was super windy at the same time too, where we were at. That it basically ripped it off like mine. See. Luckily.
Oh, did you see right there?
Luckily, it's still salvageable. Well, you just have to put new rubber.
Yeah, but I don't want to. That's
That's the rubber.
it's like my fourth set of rubber, to be honest.
That's that. Nothing else really. Both sides actually. First it was
First it was passenger,
yeah. We started hearing something weird.
and then it was the like 20 minutes later it was the
Driver's side.
yeah. But yeah, that's basically what happened.
Yeah. At least it was at least it didn't rip off fully.
Yeah.
Because if it ripped off fully,
That'd have been bad. I'd have been pissed.
yeah.
I would have been pissed. Literally right before the car show, and that's probably gonna rip off my bumper too. I mean my lip, my new lip. Yo, these look dope. These look really dope. But
yeah, he has to take out the electrical tape because one, it's a...
yeah, the residue, I ain't trying to have that stick onto the bumper. So yeah, I'll fix everything tomorrow. I have to wake up at like 6 in the morning because this dude's coming over by 7, and then we're gonna go to Starbucks, meet up with 2 more people, and then we're gonna roll in. So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's vlog. If you like this video, y'all should already know, please finger bang that like button and subscribe, guys. I'm out. Peace.